Good evening to one and all present over here. We extend our warmest greetings and express a heartfelt welcome to revered chief guest, Guruji, Dr. Chandrabhanu Satpathy. We consider ourselves to be immensely fortunate to be in the benign presence of Pujya Guruji. Welcome to the 18th National Chess Championship for the Visually Challenged.
Tobhyam namami Sainathaya.
Tobhyam namami Sainathaya.
Tobhyam namami Narayanaya.
Tobhyam namami Narayanaya. Mere Sai, mere Sai, तेरी मूरत रहे मन में। मेरे साई, मेरे साई, तेरी मूरत रहे। यही वरदान मैं पाऊं, यही वरदान मैं पाऊं। रहे तू ही
It is an honor and privilege to have amidst us Guruji Dr. Chandrabhanu Satpathy. Immensely thankful to Dr. Shilpi Shah, Chairperson Sai International Education, to have extended us this support for hosting the 18th National Chess Championship for the Visually Challenged.
Guruji Dr. Chandrabhanu Satpathy, revered as Pujya Guruji, exemplifies this tenet through unwavering dedication in thought, word, and deed.
डॉक्टर चंद्रभानु सतपथी एक प्रख्यात आध्यात्मिक विचारक, लेखक व समाज सेवक हैं। उनके कार्यकाल के दौरान भारत के माननीय राष्ट्रपति ने उन्हें वर्ष 1985 में वीरता के लिए, वर्ष 1991 में सराहनीय सेवाओं के लिए और वर्ष 1997 में विशिष्ट सेवा के लिए पुलिस पदक प्रदान करके सम्मानित किया।
May I take the privilege of requesting our venerated Guruji, Dr. Chandrabhanu Satpathy, to kindly address the audience. Sir, please.
Jai Shri Sai. Jai Shri Sai. So much has been said about me that I am feeling flabbergasted. The only thing that has not been introduced about me, that I am a part of this institution and a founding patron. I would have loved to be that called first, rather than all those accolades galore. Pain to creativity. We are here, people, 18 National Chess Championship for the Visually Challenged. Those who can't see from outside but can see and visualize from inner side, inner eyes. Though when challenged, did not fail to stop, had the spirit and also the wisdom of converting their pain and inability to creativity, and that to get accolade nationally, internationally. And we have an international master, Satyapragya Swayambhu, and also other gentlemen, many of them, whose names you would come to know. Give them a clap. There is one Asian para gold medalist, Saundarya Kumar Pradhan, Odisha. This spirit has come how? The vision about the school started in 1995 when late Sri Vijay Sahu was a leading chartered accountant, a great side devotee, and we joined to create a temple. The idea came from there. Rest of it is history, Bhumi Puja, etc., all that small things to be told. What is important is, he had a vision, and when he left in Corona, very unfortunate, the spirit of Shilpi did not stop. You must be knowing they had love marriage, and a one of the rarest combination of husband-wife. And that brought the institution and feeling. This shy-looking girl would be the chairman of this institute one day and run it this way. Give her a chair. When Sri Vijay Sahu left in Corona, last talk I had on video from the inner side of the hospital. He loved me immensely, and I too. Immensely. We missed, Odisha State missed someone who could have created much more. We had a programs of college, university, much more than that. But they didn't stop. The man went, his spirit passing through his wife and others associates, even the children, has created this, what you see. चंद खिलौने टूट जाए तो बचपन नहीं मरा करता है. चंद खिलौने टूट जाए तो बचपन नहीं मरा करता है. कुछ मुखड़ों की नाराजी से दर्पण नहीं डरा करता है. हमने देखा था कुछ मुखड़े नाराज थे, पर दर्पण जिसे स्पष्ट रूप से प्रतिबिंबित करता है, उसी प्रकार शिल्पी और इनके सब ये डरे नहीं. चंद खिलौने टूट जाए तो बचपन नहीं मरा करता है. ये कैन हैव मोर टॉयल्स. कुछ सपनों के मर जाने से, कुछ मुखड़ों के नाराजी से दर्पण नहीं डरा करता है. कुछ सपनों के मर जाने से जीवन नहीं मरा करता है. जब बच्चे होते हम, कुछ बच्चे बैठे, हम सपने संजोए आगे बढ़ते हैं. वो सपना अच्छा है जो अपने को चरितार्थ हो, अपने करें. मैं लिखा हूं, पर हमने ऐसे नहीं काम किया. इस इंस्टीट्यूट ने अपने सपने को पूरा करने के चक्कर में दूसरों के सपनों को तोड़ दिया हो. कहीं पर अपने सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए लोग दूसरों के सपने को तोड़ देते हैं. ये यथार्थ नहीं है. बड़े सरल, अच्छे चारित्रिक एक आदर्श अनुष्ठान के रूप से बढ़ गया, क्यों आज यहीं पर पहुंचा है. भारतवर्ष के सबसे अच्छा बच्चे जो आए हैं दिल्ली से, ये नंबर 1 इंस्टीट्यूट, 4 साल डे बोर्डिंग इंस्टीट्यूट, 4 साल हो गया. इतना संभव नहीं था. इसीलिए शिल्पी एंड हिज टीम, सबके नाम आप बता चुके, उन्हें पढ़ चुके हैं, वो बहुत काम किया अदम्य उत्साह के साथ. दे हैव बीन वर्किंग, आई हैव सीन देम, एंड द किड्स आर फैंटास्टिक. लास्ट टाइम आई केम, आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड योर स्टूडियो. दैट्स ऑल. एंड बिफोर दैट टाइम आई केम, आई मीट ईच ऑफ द टीचर्स ऑफ म्यूजिक. फॉर एवरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट दे हैव टीचर. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट. And this time I saw their reactions is pretty good and coordinated. सिर्फ बोलना, भाषण, अभिभाषण, अधिभाषण, व्यंग्योक्ति, वक्रोक्ति, उक्ति पर्याप्त नहीं है. You don't It's so easy to advise a thing which already is written. If you can hold hands and walk, as devotees of Baba, you know how you hold hand, and me and Shilpi are holding hand and walking. इसने मुझे बोली थी जब विजय गए, आप इसका चेयरमैन बन जाओ. मैं जान पाता कि मुझसे हो नहीं सकता, इससे अच्छा होगा. ऐसे तुम देख रहे हो, अच्छा तो बन रहा है सब कुछ. इसको बनाने के पीछे बहुत परिश्रम गया होगा. अकथ परिश्रम, अकथनीय नहीं, अकथ परिश्रम. And unseen, unknowable, subtle, small, detailed activities to the finish are necessary for bringing perfection. Because perfection is a word, only a word, nothing is perfect in this world. Everything is imperfect, trying to grow to the concept of perfection. Please underline the sentence, quotable quote. Nothing is perfect. Everything is imperfect. Maybe God is only perfect. Everything is imperfect, trying to gain perfection. Our point is not to be perfect. Our thing is to grow in perfection. Because if I say, as I give some address sometimes, an example, if you take a horse in this Bhubaneswar, you choose the best horse. Then make a all Odisha competition, you will have best horse of Odisha. Make a all India competition, you will have best horse of India. Make a all world competition, you will have best world of the horse. But that is not all times. There could have been a better horse earlier, there can be a better horse. So perfection is the idea to which imperfections grow. That's what also is the training for teaching academia. You are not creating perfect children. You are just giving the sense of perfection to the extent they can grow. And perfection grows not only with education, it grows also with other circumstances, circumstantial activities necessary. For my children who have come here, somebody is 97% lawyer, somebody is doctor, they are all coming. They are trained to wash cloth and kitchen of the temple. Cut fruit also. At the time, do education. Complete personality development. Because life has one formal education, life has one education that is necessary to grow as a personality, cutting across the limited attitudes that you create being in a limited area. That's what we do. Here, giving them game, giving them food, giving them music, multiple activities. In fact, all the wise people had said, even Athens, Sparta, or Aristotle, give mathematics, give music. The importance in the Western culture was in the Roman Greek culture, which Western culture is, mathematics and music. That was the concept at the time. Mathematics gives science, mind, and music gives heart and soul. So you have got both here, I find. And that should be kept up. And teachers must also be commended for that, and parents too, beside the other staff. Because it has to be a coordinated effort. It cannot be one. Actually, they were calling me on the 6th, inviting me. That is Ramanavami, so I would be in Baripada. I am not here. So this is the occasion I am coming. This is not the final day. They have competition, I am told 50, about 50. From how many states they have come? They will compete and the prize giving will be given. Now I talked with Shilpi ji. We will have a Braille code from Guru Bhagavat. Some portion will have a Braille code. Because that is one area we have, Sai Sachitra should have it. The real teacher has two actions, rather 3 actions. Not only teaching, but also seeing those factors in the school which are hindering in the education, individually or in group, are removed. Like a mother or father in this home, not only should educate, teach, but also remove those factors and create these positive factors that allows the child to roll. In many cases, that doesn't happen. In many schools also, it doesn't happen. Those factors will facilitate their reading, giving the inner motivation of child. You cannot, there will be some who are different than others. Some people have come through heredity codes different, circumstance different, parents is different, so don't equal, they can't be equal. You have to give, like a tree, all trees grow, some seeds come to fruition, come to seeding after 3 months. Someone comes after 5 days, something comes 10 days. They are different. That is law of organic growth. But therefore, they will, everybody cannot come tall. But every tree has a particular flower differently. Big or small, but the creativity, the smell. जब आप बागान में खड़े हो, उद्यान में, प्रशस्त उद्यान में खड़े हो और वर्ण विच्छुरण हो रखा है और सुगंध विस्तारित हो रखा हो, तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये आया कहाँ से सुगंध बागान में, आप नहीं कह सकते ऐसे। सबको मिले घुले एक प्रकार की अंतर्मन को स्पर्श करने वाले सुगंध मिल जाती है हमको। तो इसी प्रकार ये जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं, ये लोग न्यू जनरेशन है, 5th ह्यूमन रेस। 4th ह्यूमन रेस एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकली देखो किस कैपेसिटी में था, 5th ह्यूमन रेस को आने से सेरिब्रल कैपेसिटी डेवलप होगा। ये जो परिवर्तन हो रहा है, फास्ट मूविंग चार्ज डीपीटी एंड ऑल दैट, इट proceeding towards the 5th generation. There was 3rd generation earlier. We have to be the agents from the 4th generation to see that they become the 5th generation, maybe in 100 years, 2 years, I don't know how many years. Read anthropology. That is my view for future. This brain, quote what I am saying. Why is this change in fast artificial intelligence coming? Unless there is a need, and the intelligentsia that is in sky of nature, nature has intelligentsia to protect and grow itself. Nature has an intelligentsia to evolve, protect and grow itself in given the time and the situation. It has inbuilt intelligentsia. Why this intelligence is sprouting automatically? Because till now, as the prevalent intelligentsia that we had, maybe after Second World War, what we were doing in the world, is not adequate to fight to the coming vicissitudes of nature or changes. It's not adequate. You saw one dog kill so many human beings. Human intelligence could not work to protect that. No. We never such internationalized financial situations, no. UNO is virtually not very effective as it was supposed to be. So newer intelligence is necessary, nature is pushing it. Nature pushes. That's my feeling. Now at 78, I've seen much of it. So, only point, any change comes, it is a matter of disturbance. Never think change is disturbance. When the Second World War happened, it was very disturbing, but it's Second World War that gave rise to atom bomb, energy power, automobile power, machines all created and gave the next civilization. No doubts. Although it can millions. परिवर्तन जब आएगा उसको ग्रहण करके उसके ताल के साथ समरस में, समताल में, समछंद में चलना ही बुद्धिमान के कार्य है। इसके लिए बहुत सहनशीलता चाहिए। इसलिए मैं अच्छा हूँ, जो लोग आपके आए, जिस कारण आए हैं, ये लोगों ने बहुत संघर्ष किया है। इतना आसान कह देना कि ये सब। अभी एक लड़की थी हमारे देख नहीं पा रही थी, मैं पिछले बार देखा था उसने गाना गा रही थी, इसको मैं सीधा उठा के दिल्ली ले लिया हमारे फंक्शन में। क्या नाम था उसका? आशा थी। कितना बड़ा उसको स्ट्रेंथ है, इतना शक्ति हमें देना दाना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन के विश्वास को कमजोर करने नहीं देंगे अगर प्रकृति ने उनको सहायता नहीं की तो। साईं बाबा ने ये किया, इसी को मैं धर्म समझता हूं, इसको मैं मानवीयता समझता हूं। आई थिंक दिस इज द ह्यूमैनिज्म, ह्यूमैनिटेरियनिज्म, sympathy, empathy, whatever you call, love or whatever. That's all I think. I don't hold to Baba because miracles. No. I don't go for that. I go for a man like Ramakrishna Paramahansa, another kindest person. I go for the kindness and the sacrifice without expecting returns. Till the day they leave the earth, they are fighting. Even Vivekananda, think of these characters. If they are the models, spiritualism is not puja path. There is a process for coming there. The religious methodologies. Spiritualism is expanding our spirit to absorb others, particularly those who are lesser than us and need some from us. We have a lot to give, but we don't want to give. That is what is exactly spiritualism, nothing else. Whether you worship or don't worship, that is your future. Karma is the biggest worship, because that actually helps. मैंने 10 घंटा बैठ के पूजा करने की जगह जाके बच्चों को 10 घंटा पढ़ाओ ना, वो बैठ रहे। मन को शुद्धिकरण करने के लिए लोग पूजा भक्ति सब करते हैं ना। इट बाई इटसेल्फ इट इज नॉट द एंड। वो किस कर्म के लिए मंदिर बनता है? ठाकुर जी को प्रसाद खिलाने के लिए नहीं, वहां गरीबों को प्रसाद का पाठ मिले, गरीबों की सेवा हो। अगर मैं तो कहूंगा, अगर सबसे अच्छा जो स्कूल है तुम्हारा, ये बढ़िया मंदिर है, यह सब कुछ है। जिस मंदिर का जो एलिमेंट अगर आप घर ले जाएंगे, वो मंदिर बनेगा। वही मंदिर का जो होता, घर का जो एलिमेंट है उसको मंदिर लेंगे तो मंदिर घर बनेगा। What is the difference? घर is cooperation. Outside world is for competition. Outside world is competition. कितने भी घर में झगड़ा हो, जब बाहर का कंपटीशन आता है हम सब इकट्ठा हो जाता है कंपटीशन। सिमिलरली इस अनुष्ठान परिवार जिसका मैं पैट्रन हूं, यहाँ के सब लोग जब घर का भाव ले आएंगे, जो कि लाए हैं, मुझे लगता है ये बंधा रहेगा, अच्छा रहेगा। और यहाँ का भाव ले लें तो घर में शिक्षा हो जाएगी मंदिर की तरह। ये करने के लिए थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा, सोचना पड़ेगा कैसे करना पड़ेगा। हम तो कर चुके हैं कहीं पर, ये करें तो और ज्यादा ना बोल के, ऐसे तो कुछ भी हरि अंत नहीं, अनंत हरि कथा अनंत। दूसरों को मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आपने इन अनुष्ठान को सहायता दी और इनको स्पॉन्सर किया अपने हॉल में, और आपने संपूर्ण ताकत के साथ ऐसे कार्य करते रहे। मैं जब मैं आऊँगा। अनफॉर्चुनेटली स्कूल के बच्चों को भी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दे पाया, अभी दूंगा। आई एम डिटरमिन्ड। एक नहरकट्टा स्कूल है कि ये है, एक वहाँ पर बच्चों को बहुत मिल गया। सो अभी थोड़ा टाइम यहाँ पर मैं दूंगा, कभी आऊँगा, रहूँगा, आप लोगों से टाइम बिताऊंगा। ये मुझे अच्छा लगेगा। आई एम फीलिंग हैप्पी आगे। धन्यवाद। धन्यवाद। शिल्पी चले आए यूएसए से, मैं जानता हूँ कैसे आए। कल आए थे? कब आए तो मैं शामिल होने के धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल ऑफ यू। प्रच्छद के पीछे रह के जो लोग संचालित करते हैं, जिनका नाम नहीं आता है, उन लोगों को बहुत धन्यवाद। घणी काम चोखो लगे वो मारवाड़ी लैंग्वेज। जय श्री साईं। बाबा आप सबको भला करे, सबके परिवार, समस्त छात्र परिवार तक पिता माता सबको साहस दे, संपदा दे और परिस्थिति पैदा करे कि आगे बढ़े। जय श्री साईं।
Thank you, Guruji, for being our mentor and guiding light. Your legacy is a beacon that will continue to inspire us in all our pursuits. May I now call upon Sandhyorya Kumar Pradhan, representing Odisha, who won a gold in World Team Chess Championship for the Blind.
Dr. Chandra Bhanu Satpathy ji, Honorable Chairperson, Dr. Shilpi Sahu, with your words of wisdom, you reminded us that true strength is knowledge supported by compassion and a will to serve the nation, the community, the society. A round of applause for the organizing team, volunteers, faculty and staff of Sai International Residential School.